Hi everybody. In this series of looking at the various Power BI deployment models, we're going to take a look today at the Enterprise Collaboration Model for Power BI. In the Enterprise Collaboration Power BI model, we're now thinking about how do we deploy Power BI outside of a small group of users, a department, leadership sort of team, and make these sorts of tools more readily available to others in the organisation. This is really the true way of providing that self-service BI capability, making teams empowered at all levels to access information to help them do better. In this model, normally you'll have a large number of consumers and a small subset of those who will be creating and authoring reports. And we start seeing more distinction around those who say manage data sets and those that do create reports and dashboards. And there's now dedicated teams to do that. Now, of course, the advantage of this is you can publish Power BI to everyone. And you actually get some more features as well. We won't go into this video, but some more technical features you get when you step up to the called premium model, where you license that capacity for everyone to be able to use that. But as you do that, of course, there is a associated cost for that. So the monthly subscription may go up, and you also need to still have some of the per user pro licenses to author reports as well. But as you start scaling up, these are very much cost effective to enable and provide the functionality of Power BI to everyone in your organisation. The other consideration to think about when you look at the enterprise collaboration model is the need to be able to manage the environment. There's more rigor and governance as well as the technical overhead to make sure everything's running fine and all your governance processes are in place. So hopefully get a bit of an idea of what the enterprise collaboration model entails when we think about different Power BI models. The next one, something that we don't seem to talk about too much, but is gaining traction in the market. This is the customer BI model. So look forward to telling you about that in the next video.